Hi everyone! For today we're going to read the book about Postman Pete. Postman Pete is part of the Little Workmates series by the Ladybird. Postman Pete by Ronnie Randall, illustrated by Emma Dodd. This is Postman Pete. He loves delivering letters and parcels to everyone in Storytown, and he loves surprises too. Postman Pete jumped out of bed. "Hooray!" he said. "It's my birthday! I can't wait to see how many birthday cards I get." At the post office, Postman Pete sorted the mail and filled his sack, but there were no cards for him. "Perhaps I'll get some when I deliver the mail," he thought. "Good morning, Florence Fern," said Postman Pete. "I have some letters and a parcel for you today." "It's my new flower pot," said Fern. "Thank you, Postman Pete." And with that, she went inside. "No birthday card?" thought Postman Pete. "Perhaps at my next stop." "Good morning, Peasy Polly," said Postman Pete at the police station. "I have some letters and a postcard for you today." "It's from my friend Peepa in Peru," said Polly. "Thank you, Postman Pete." And with that, she went back to work. "No birthday card?" thought Postman Pete with a sigh. "Perhaps at my next stop." "Good morning, Mr. Baker," said Pete. "I have 3 letters and a parcel for you today." "It's my new rolling pin," said Mr. Baker. "Thank you, Postman Pete." And with that, he carried on with his work. "No birthday card here either," thought Postman Pete, feeling very glum. The last 2 letters in Postman Pete's sack were for Fireman Fergus. "I hope Fergus has a birthday card for me," he thought. But Fireman Fergus had nothing for Postman Pete. Postman Pete felt very sad. "Everyone has forgotten my birthday," he thought as he walked home. But when he got to his house, surprise! Everyone was there with cards and presents and a big birthday cake. "Happy birthday, Postman Pete!" they cheered. Postman Pete opened his presents and shared his cake with everyone. "This is the best birthday I've ever had," he said. The end.